Andy, so what are we talking about today in the new ForgeRock identity platform?
Well, we're talking about an enhancement to the OAuth 2 protocol.
So what's wrong with OAuth 2? It's great, right?
OAuth 2 is great. It's used by everything. It's used by web applications, it's used by mobile applications, it's used by devices and things. But the problem with it is it's a bearer token protocol. So that what that means is in the OAuth 2 world, when these devices want to talk to their backend servers, commonly in the cloud, they need to present an access token. It's an OAuth 2 access token. So to get one of them, they go to the ForgeRock or an OAuth 2 authorization server, and they identify themselves, and they get issued a little token, which is an access token. So let's say my smart light bulb here gets issued a little token here, which is my access token. Whenever this is trying to pass data to the backend resource server, it uses this guy to identify itself and say, I'm allowed to access this resource because look, here's my token. That's how it works today.
Right.
So the problem with this is that this could be stolen by a malicious person. It could be misused. And so someone, instead of it being a smart light bulb connecting to this service, it could be a bad guy, right? And so how do we stop that? How do we stop these tokens being used by someone who shouldn't be in possession of them? Well, it's not just a ForgeRock solution that we've come up with, it's actually an industry standard one. It's something called the OAuth 2 proof of possession, and it basically goes like this. When you act the resource server for one of these tokens, you also provide a little bit of yourself, maybe a little bit of DNA, or in actual fact, it's quite often the public key of this device. So this access token is presented with something special in there that is indicative that you are the owner of this guy. Now what happens is when you present this to the resource server can look at your public key and can challenge the device or the holder of this with a question that only the rightful owner of this token can answer correctly. So by doing this, we've now ensured that OAuth 2 tokens cannot be misused and stolen by the bad guys out there.
So it's taking OAuth 2 and making it better with proof of possession.
Making it more secure.
No, that's great. Thanks.